We'll guide you through how to make lens flare in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion on your device. Once it is ready, select the Create New Project button located below to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by choosing the project settings that you want to use. After completing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button to add media to the timeline. Browse through your files, select the footage that you want to use, and import it into the project. After the footage has been added successfully, press the plus button again and choose Rectangle to add a rectangle layer to the timeline. Once the rectangle has been added, press the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Stretch to Composition Area so the rectangle fills the entire composition. Select the rectangle layer and press Effect to open the Effect menu. Inside the Effect menu, press Add Effect to access the Effect browser. When the Effect browser opens, use the search bar to search for Copy Background. Once you find the Copy Background effect, apply it to the rectangle layer. After adding the Copy Background effect, open the Effect browser again and search for Lens Flare. Select the Lens Flare effect and add it to the same rectangle layer. After the effect has been applied, adjust the available lens flare settings according to your preference until the appearance matches the result you want to create. Continue changing the effect values until you are satisfied with the final look. Press the play button to preview the animation and see how the lens flare effect appears over your footage. If the result matches your preference, then the process is complete. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a lens flare effect in Alight motion.